Many of you have an incredible process, method, system that you know if you could productize it and just package it in a way, you can not only impact so many people around the world, but you could also develop an amazing online business that creates recurring revenue.
Retirement income.
Exactly, which is why we have this video. We have the 3 key ways on how to start an online course business that we're going to break down with
step-by-step process. But first, you should really sign up for our free masterclass. It's going to take you deep into step 1 of the process we're sharing today, and it's going to set you up with step-by-step for the rest of it so you can make an amazing course and course library.
So what is the first big thing? It's not about guessing. It's not about figuring out, hey, I'm going to create this content, throw it out there and see what
We're not throwing spaghetti against the wall.
We are going to follow this process that is guaranteed to work, which is why
we don't want to throw darts in the dark.
We're going to define your learners based on what, Johnny?
What you like in life. What do you know about? What are you an expert on? What are you going to enjoy creating courses and a business around? But it has to be based on the biggest challenges of your learners. So your learners within this vertical we're talking about that you like in life. This could be anything. Maybe you love accounting. I'm an accountant, don't love it, glad I learned it. But basically, define your learners and their biggest challenges, but it has to have to do with your experience. For example, if you hate working out, but you want to create a program about working out and your experience with working out, probably don't do that. But if you are a chef and you have a specific type of cuisine that you are amazing at creating and you're amazing at creating it at a lower cost, and you know how to cook that cuisine from any type of ingredient, that is a good topic.
Absolutely. Remember, guys, you want to be passionate about what you're doing, because if you're not passionate, then your learners are going to see that, and they want to work with somebody and learn from somebody that are passionate about what they do, not just that they're good at it. The second biggest thing is, after you define who your learners are based on their biggest challenges, about your experience that you absolutely love, you want to build an audience.
And this is more important than building the courses when you start out. Because you may find that there isn't an audience. You may really like to do something. Really, these 2 steps go hand in hand. So hopefully by defining your learners' biggest challenges, you talk to some learners about that, you understand what they are, and then what you're going to do is build the audience by creating content around those biggest challenges.
Basically, we're talking about digital assets.
So digital assets like YouTube videos, blog posts, etc. These are assets that answer questions for your learners, that attract them into your sphere of influence, that you can then get followers on social media, subscribers on YouTube, and most importantly, emails on your email list. Because then what you're going to do is you're going to have a lead magnet to get those emails. The digital assets attract people. This is our digital asset. Then the lead magnet gets them to sign up for your masterclass or whatever, sign up for our masterclass. By the way, this lead magnet needs to be of high value, lots of value. And it needs to be generous. You need to give away the best stuff.
Absolutely. And the third thing is your email list. Now, when
ultimately, that's what you're doing.
100%. When people get access to your lead magnet, they're giving their email in order for them to get access to it, which allows you to build your email list. Now, here's the thing about building an audience, okay? For I know instant gratification is a thing, and we want to build our audience and go viral tomorrow. Here is the reality, though, which is a good thing. It's actually a great thing. If you want to build a scalable and sustainable business, you have to build raving fans, aka your audience, by doing this, which takes time. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen a month from now or a year from now. It is consistency, but something magical happens when you start hitting that 24 to 36 month mark. If you're building things sustainably, if you're building things for scalability, if you're doing it this way, the EP way, I'm telling you, it is going to explode.
It's going to take 3 years though, okay? It could be faster, but it's going to take 3 years. This is kind of like, think about this. Think about if you put $1 a day since the day you were born into an account that gives you 10% interest a year, you will be a millionaire by the time you're 55. $1 a day. So look at that the same here. 3 years. That's not a lot of time.
It's not a lot of time.
You do this for 3 years and then you continue doing it.
Not even one
You're
World
gonna
Cup.
retire young. Or if you're already near retirement age, you are going to be set up for retirement and you're not going to have to worry about your Social Security. You're not going to have to worry about any pension payments. You're not going to worry about your 401k because you set this up. But it takes time, consistency, and making sure you define your learners based on their biggest challenges.
And the third thing is to build and sell the course. Now, we understand that seems just, hey, Hector, Johnny, that just seems, super simple. But yes, sell the online course. Take it out there. Be vulnerable. Put it in front of learners. Talk to affiliates. Keep building your digital assets, your content and marketing strategy. Keep adding you lead magnets. Increase your email list. I mean, just sell your online course.
And if you want to learn how to build an online course, sign up for our free masterclass. We give you a step-by-step process, and we also complete the first steps with you.
Thank you so much for the likes and the subscribes. Give us a comment if you have a question that we would love to answer for you, and we'll see you in the next video.